Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for taking our time and joining our today's webinar about AI agents from SalesMate. That's Skara. I am Nachiket, and I'm going to be your host for this webinar. So, in our last session, we introduced SalesMate's AI agents that work seamlessly on your website through both chat as well as the voice channel. It's been amazing to see how many of you have already started implementing these AI agents to elevate your business. And thank you for sharing your use cases and success stories with us. If you haven't started using SalesMate's AI agents yet, don't worry. We're here to help you and get you up and running smoothly. And now, building on the fantastic feedback that we've received, we are excited to take the next big leap and kind of introduce SalesMate's powerful voice agents. So think about this. Many of you offer or want to offer enterprise grade services where people don't just show up on a website and start typing. They want to communicate effortlessly through voice. So this is especially useful when typing isn't convenient, like when someone is driving. So while talking to our e-commerce customers, I often hear the same concern. Their customers constantly need support, whether it's checking the status of an order, requesting a return, or getting quick answers about products. One client even shared that over 60% of their customer service calls are related to order tracking alone. And every delay in a response risks losing that customer's trust forever. So many software business founders tell me their users expect immediate answers, no waiting, no frustration. So, I'm sure that all of you have felt the frustration of calling big companies only to get lost in the endless options. Press one for this, press two for that, and that navigation, through the countless menus, just kind of, is there for no help. You press button after button only to hear, your call is important for us. All of our agents are busy. Please hold. That experience can be downright frustrating, and it's often a turn off for our customers as well. So, I've been there myself, facing this exact problems with my own providers, and I'm sure many of you can relate to this. It feels like a maze designed to test your patience rather than actually solving the problems, right? And this is precisely where our AI voice agents shine. They eliminate the need for 100 clicks just to get an answer. So when you speak, the agent understands the context and quickly identifies the best solution. It can even resolve issues on its own and, if necessary, escalate to human agents. No endless menu hoops, no frustration. So whether the issue is urgent or complex, our AI agents provide a smooth, natural experience, one that reflects and respects your customers' time and needs. So today, let's dive into how you can implement these intelligent AI voice agents. This will actually give your customers the flexibility to communicate comfortably and efficiently over voice. It's a powerful way to elevate your service quality and take customer satisfaction to the next level. So Garima, take it away.
Thanks, NK. Hi everyone, I am Garima, the AI champ here at Skara. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you just how simple and powerful it is to set up voice agents using Skara. So in our last webinar, I showed you how to design chat agents. Today, I'll walk you through how to configure voice agents in Skara. Now, when people hear AI agent setup, they often think it's complicated, technical, or something only developers can handle. But here's the truth. With Skara, anyone on your team can build a smart, on-brand AI agent. No coding, just your business logic turned into action. So, in this demo, I'll show you how to design your agent using our intuitive no-code builder, how to embed your knowledge base so your agent can speak with authority, and also how to configure your agent to qualify leads, answer FAQs, and book meetings all on its own 24 into 7. And by the end, you'll see just how quickly you can transform repetitive work into a fully automated workflow that saves time, improves speed to lead, and deliver consistently amazing customer experiences. So let's dive in. Inside Skara, head to the voice agent section. This is your agent dashboard, the place to customize, configure, and test every aspect of your agent. Let's take a real world example now. Imagine you are running a real estate brokerage. Every day you are flooded with new leads, but not all are worth pursuing, of course. Filtering manually takes hours, and your team needs a way to qualify quickly and focus only on the most promising prospects. And this is where Nora comes in. Our sample agent steps in. Nora is designed as an AI powered lead qualifier, ensuring only high quality leads get passed to your sales team. And building Nora just takes 10 minutes. She is intelligent, approachable, and tailored for real estate services. And her mission? To engage visitors, qualify leads, provide accurate property info, schedule appointments, and support transactions seamlessly. And with Skara, I can also define her identity, role, and tone of voice. Options include formal, casual, or friendly. Formal tone is a bit informative, confident, and empathetic. Casual is conversational but respectful. And friendly is, of course, upbeat and encouraging. And once Nora has her tone and voice, it's time to feed her knowledge base as well. This is where Nora learns everything she needs to answer confidently. She can scrap content from your website like FAQs or property listings. She can also use the uploaded PDFs, guides, or reports, or can take help from the internal help center or resource articles. Think of it as giving Nora a full library to pull accurate answers from. For example, if a prospect asks, I am looking for a property in East Texas, Nora won't guess. She'll respond with confidence, quoting your listings directly. The stronger your knowledge base, the sharper and more reliable your agent becomes. Now, let's configure the voice channel so Nora can answer calls. Simply go to the channels in Skara, enable voice, and voila, Nora is ready to handle your live queries. For her opening line, I have given her something warm and approachable. For example, hi there, I am Nora from Skara Realty. I hope your day is going well. How may I help you today? And from there, Nora starts qualifying your leads, asking about the property type, whether it's a single family, condo, or a townhome. Also checking your preferred neighborhoods and budget, and narrowing down must-haves like bedrooms, bathrooms, and yard space. She can even check for loan pre-approvals and route leads accordingly, either to realtors or to the loan offices. Better yet, Nora can coordinate directly with your team. So if a lead wants a showing in South Park, she'll check Tom's calendar. If it's Concord, she'll check Isabel's calendar. And for Rock Hill, Michael's availability pops up automatically. And just like that, Nora is ready to greet, qualify, and schedule for your leads in real time. Now, let's do the fun part. Call Nora live. Listen to her empathy, clarity, and ability to guide conversations, qualifying needs, adapting on the fly, and delivering a great customer experience from the very first word.
Hi there. I'm Nora from SalesMate Realty. How may I help you today? Whether you're looking to buy a single family home, a townhome, or a condo, or if you have any questions about properties, neighborhoods, or scheduling viewings, I'm here to assist you. Just let me know what you need.
Hi Nora, so I'm looking to buy a house for myself.
That's wonderful to hear that you're planning to buy a house for yourself. To help you find the perfect home, could you please tell me what type of property you are looking for? Are you interested in a single family home, a townhome, a condo, or another type of property?
Yes, I feel I am leaning more towards a townhome.
Excellent choice with the townhome. Are there specific neighborhoods or areas in Charlotte, such as South Park or Ballantyne, that you're most interested in?
Do you have any properties in or near North Lake, baby?
Thank you for sharing that you are interested in the North Lake area. To better assist you, could you please let me know your comfortable price range or budget for this move?
Yes, so anywhere around $350,000 to $400,000 would sound perfect for me.
Thank you for sharing your budget. That's a good range for the North Lake area. Could you please tell me what you're looking for in a home? For example, how many bedrooms and bathrooms you need, if a garage is important, or if you want outdoor space like a yard or patio. Has all entities filled false?
So it's the four of us. I have two kids as well. So I feel that maybe two bedrooms and 1.5 baths would be ideal.
Thanks for sharing those details about needing 2 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms, which sounds like a great fit for your family of 4. Have you already been pre-approved for a mortgage? Or would you like some information or recommendations to help with that process?
Yes, I've already been pre-approved.
Great. Since you're pre-approved, that helps us move forward smoothly. Would you like to schedule a viewing for any of the homes I'll send you? Or would you prefer to speak with a local agent for more personalized guidance?
So I want to schedule a visit for myself first.
Great. What date and time would work best for you to visit the property?
Maybe Tuesday next week?
Thank you for confirming Northlake as the neighborhood for your viewing on Tuesday. I will now check the available viewing slots for townhomes in the Northlake area on that day and get back to you with the options.
Okay, thank you. And just like that, you have seen how effortlessly Nora, our Skara agent, guides a lead. From the initial introduction all the way to scheduling or viewing or connecting to a live agent whenever needed. From customizing her voice to setting smart qualification steps, it's all about delivering a seamless, personalized experience that works 24/7. So now, let's head over to Preeti, who will take us through how Skara voice agents can transform your customer support. Preeti, over to you.
Thank you so much, Garima. Hi everyone, I'm Preeti, Customer Success Analyst here at Skara, and I'm very excited to be with you today. So let's take a moment to talk about a challenge every business faces, that is customer support. Unlike sales, which usually happens during office hours, support never sleeps. It runs 24/7. And we all know how frustrating it can get for customers, especially during peak times like the holiday season. So picture this, a customer anxiously wondering where their delayed delivery is or struggling to figure out how to use a product they just bought. These moments can quickly turn into a stressful experience. This is exactly where Skara's voice agents step in as superheroes. They provide instant, warm, and friendly updates that put your customer at ease. Imagine your agent calmly explaining that the delivery was delayed due to a snowstorm, but reassuring the customer it's on the way and will arrive soon. That kind of clear, comforting communication makes all the difference. But it doesn't stop there. Skara can even help customers modify their orders before they ship, double checking details, making quick changes instantly, and preventing unnecessary headaches for both your team and your customers. And here's something truly special. Skara adds a personal touch to every interaction, whether it's sending a thoughtful birthday message or attaching a custom note to a gift. Your customers feel valued and cared for in every conversation. Beyond that, Skara can answer FAQs, taps into your entire knowledge base for accurate responses, and handles virtually any support scenario. All of this designed to elevate your customer experience. It's an incredibly powerful tool for your business. Behind the scenes, all of this happens seamlessly as Skara integrates with your ERP or order management systems, ensuring your human team isn't overloaded. The result? Smart, efficient, and thoughtful support 24/7. For those who haven't yet embraced this technology, I invite you to explore Skara. The beauty is that you can engage your customers wherever they are, through chat, voice calls, WhatsApp, Facebook, and soon even email and SMS. The future of customer support is here, more personal, more responsive, and more delightful than ever. So let's call one of our support agents live and see Skara in action.
Hi, Preeti. Happy Thursday. How can I assist you today?
Hola, so can we speak in Spanish?
Sí. Hola, Preeti. Feliz jueves.
So the agent supports conversation in multiple languages, right? You can personalize your customer experience no matter where you are at. Alright, so let's continue in English.
How can I assist you today?
So I needed help with an order that I placed. The order number is 717.
Yes, I see this order in the system. It has blue denim jeans, brand, Levi's, color, classic blue, size 34, and Clark's shoes. Color, brown leather, size 10. It will be out for delivery tomorrow and should reach your address within 3 days.
So again, you see the agent is context aware, restores customer data from your e-commerce store or auto management system. So that is where it is referring to. It knows your shopping habits and much more. So let's continue with it. Yes, so I needed to update this order. The blue jeans that is there on this order, I want a black one instead because I'm going to a party for this weekend and I think black would look better on me.
Sure, I'm happy to help. I totally understand, and I agree. Black is a classic color that's perfect for parties. Let me check right away if we have the black jeans available for you.
Okay, great. Please do.
Great news! The black jeans in your size are available. Would you like me to update your order and replace the blue pair with these black jeans?
Yes, please.
Got it. The order has been updated to the black classic fit jeans from Denim Co., size 34.
So see again, the agent went in, checked with the auto management system and updated my order details to the new things that I wanted, right? So it updated the order without doing any manual intervention or doing it manually in the system. So the agent is smart enough to update it on its own. Alright, so let's continue with interacting the agent. Great. Can you confirm the address to me once? I wanted to change a few things.
Sure. The shipping address mentioned in the order is 323 Cala Fiesta, apartment 56B, Los Angeles.
Okay, I see that is my dad's address and he speaks only in Spanish. So let's add a note to him on this order.
Sure. Do you want this note to be in Spanish?
Yes, please. It should be in Spanish, thanking him. Dad, thank you for taking care of this order for me.
We will add a note to your order. Hola, papá. Este paquete es para ti. Gracias por ayudar con la entrega.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for adding that.
Is there anything else that you want me to help you with?
No, that should be it. Thank you so much for your help.
Awesome, Preeti. Just to double confirm, we updated your order 717 with black classic fit jeans from Denim Co., size 34, and mentioned a note for your dad in Spanish. That's awesome. Wonderful. Thank you for choosing us. Preeti, if you ever need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always here to help. Have a fantastic day and enjoy the party this weekend.
So one of the biggest advantages of Skara voice agents is that they're always on, helping your customers 24/7 across voice, chat, WhatsApp, social channels, and soon even email and SMS. They are multilingual and brand adaptable and designed to fit seamlessly into your customer journey. No missed opportunities, no long queues, and no waiting. With Skara, support is not just faster, it's smarter, more personal, and always available. So we've just seen how Skara voice agents work as true digital teammates. Always on, always ready, engaging customers with empathy, accuracy, and speed. They don't sleep, they don't miss a call, and they make your business truly available 24/7. But conversations are only half of the story. With Skara surveys, you can actively listen to your customer and turn their feedback into structured insights. This transforms opinion into clear actions, helping you improve continuously and personalize every interaction. So together, Skara's voice agents and surveys create a powerful loop. Real-time conversations that resolve, real customer insights that guide, and real loyalty and growth for your business. And the best part, SalesMate makes deploying the Skara seamless, flexible enough to fit your journey, simple enough for your team to embrace, and powerful enough to elevate every customer experience. So the next step is yours. Empower your digital teammate with Skara today and watch how they reimagine your customer relationships.